What's up, guys? Welcome to another new day here in VA. Well, let's just say this is the day that Winter Storm Gia hits Virginia. Either Gia or Gaia, but I think Gia is more accurate from the way it's spelled. But I'm kind of looking forward to it, oddly enough. Despite the cold. Sorry. Let's see here. You know when a storm's named, it's a big one. A really big one. Yeah. That whole thing. That is Winter Storm Gia. That is straight up snow. That is not a mix. We're gonna get hit hard. It is 9:56 in the morning, which is unusual for me. (31 degrees, so a little below freezing. I guarantee you though, it's gonna get much worse. It is pretty gloomy out here right now. The skies are all gray. Oh, with the storm coming in and everything. I'll see you guys after I come out of the store. Hey guys, I told you I'd see you again, but that proved a little difficult here. I got a ton of stuff. What the heck is all this? That's littering. That's just straight up littering. It's illegal. Beer bottle. That's where the body was found earlier, by the way. Right by that thing. Oh, hold on. Sounds like our neighbors. Sounds like they're getting mad at each other up there again. Carolyn's daughter has not been behaving too well recently.
You said Carolyn?
Yeah. The mother of that dude's girlfriend. She has not been behaving. That girl has not been behaving.
That lady waking me up or anything.
Yeah, well, that girl has not. That dude's girlfriend has not been too nice to her mother lately. And he does not like that.
And they got a baby up there.
Yeah, I know. It's an unhealthy environment. Sounds like he's mad at Carolyn this time.
Yeah, he's going off on her.
It's usually Katie. Here's home. It's me again. Guys, I'm gonna be taking a bit of a power nap, but first off, look at how gloomy it is out there. Yeah. It's coming. Everyone's getting ready. Even Walmart is packed. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and likely take a power nap, because I'm getting a little sleepy. It is snowing, guys. It was snowing a lot heavier earlier, but it's gonna increase. I can easily point that out. Oh, and there goes my knife again. It's a Camillus knife, by the way. Not something you want to go playing with. These things are tough. You can see we got a rather thin layer of snow right now. The roads are still technically wet. Thankfully, got a pair of waterproof boots. These things are good. Better than my last pair. The last pair got stolen somehow. No clue who's responsible for it, but hope they know. If I find them, they better hope I don't approach them. Getting ready to pull my knife, because this road I'm coming up on is also the road I'm least comfortable taking, as I have mentioned before. That's why I'm going out here. Ooh, rabbit. Hi. It's okay, little guy. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna do anything to you. Not every day you see a rabbit out when it's snowing. I have my camera slightly tilted to try and protect the lens, guys, because it is raining. It is snowing now, after all. Snow is basically just frozen water coming out of the sky. Anyways, I'll see you after I get out of the store. Yeah, you guys need to see this. It's snowing big time. Wow. I'm impressed. Well, snow's accumulated fairly well. Let me show you. Yeah, the window's fogging out. Shouldn't have done that. And don't ask me why the blinds do that, because I don't know. They just do. Those stupid birds again. place this is. Surprising. This place is known for being a pretty rough area. For good reason. I'm hearing a trailer for movie Glass, which I want to see. Thought I saw something on the lens, but that was just the light playing tricks on my eyes, which happens. Yeah, too bad we don't have the doggos so you guys can watch him mess around in the snow. That was actually kind of funny the last time when I saw that. We watch over a dog every now and then. They're a really, really awesome dog. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Well, guys, it's very strange what's going on now. I think we got ice. I think we're dealing with ice now. This is not your everyday winter storm. This might be a tough one, but yeah. This is kind of a, yeah. Look at that. And I know you guys see it. That is not rain. Dang it. I was trying to hit my brother's window. I'll try again. Hit the gutter instead. Hit the gutter instead. That's funny. Yeah, I know you see it even more clearly up here. Not really, never mind. Clearer in the yellow lighting. Storm's kind of a variety. I love it. Oh, it's not hitting the windows anymore. That's a weird thing. The gutter.
That's good, they're all on. Right.
Why is my door open? It's been open.
Close that bitch. And goddamn ghosts opened it. Motherfucking ghost doors and shit.
No reaction to it. Try and get a reaction out of him tomorrow. That should be funny. But anyways, I'll have to conclude the video here and start getting ready to upload it. So, those of you who are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button.